You are the future of dentistry, and your training is the true engine to that success. This isn't just another CE course. This is a practice revolution. In this hands-on experience, you'll master the Sprintray MIDAS system, the single biggest advancement to same-day dentistry in our practice lifetime. In this course, you will learn to design, print, and deliver crowns, inlays, onlays, and veneers in a single appointment. No labs, no waiting, just pure speed and precision. We'll take you from digital scan to final cementation and bonding with real patient cases and real results. So whether you're looking to streamline your workflows or dominate same-day aesthetics, this course will fundamentally change the way that you practice. Let's build the future of restorative dentistry together. I'm Wally Renee, and this is the definitive Sprintray MIDAS training experience.